Great ingredients, served piping hot. A perfect combination, like you and PnP.
I have to say, Hilary, I love that red dress. Very fashion fabulous. Well, you know, I've always wondered, exactly what does Ewan cook in his kitchen at night for supper?
Yeah. Is that for supper?
So, yeah, I'm kind of wondering what exactly would you be cooking, and I think, Nolly, we're going to put him to work today.
Yes.
That's what you guys think. That's what you think. That's what they think. They're going to put me to work, but you know how I operate in the kitchen? I delegate.
Excuse you.
I say, do this, do that.
But what are you making for us today?
Yeah, I'm making it. Kitlepo, are you okay?
Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Are you okay?
Not okay.
No?
Just tell Hilary she better watch out.
I'm sending her to the slaghuis after this. We're making biltong.
You must tell her that later.
What are you making now, though?
We're making my famous, not my famous, bacon and chicken pasta. All right, bacon and chicken pasta. It actually comes from my brother-in-law in Hungary. So, ako sugar, no young person, I'm saying, okay, right. Okay, don't go on to that. All right, but it's very easy. It's very simple. Definitely, I can do this in under 10 minutes.
Awesome.
I hope.
Okay, so we've got the timer ready.
Yes, all right. So you want to start that? So, go for it.
And he's chilling, like you're chilling while he's starting the time.
It's easy, man. You got it. You got it. Okay, so I have boiled 300 grams of pasta already. It's right there.
You have?
Okay, that's actually easy because you do it before. Yes. Now, ingredients. I have salt, pepper, some lovely parsley, all right, some cream and sour cream, right there, garlic, olive oil, and then corn kernels, chicken, and bacon.
And of course, we can get all of these at the Pick n Pay, your local Pick n Pay store, so that's pretty awesome.
That is correct. So, what I want you guys to do is start dicing the bacon.
Sorry, what?
Please start dicing the bacon.
This is your recipe.
Yeah.
I can't do everything myself because what I need to start doing is I need to start frying these chicken or making this pan hot, you see.
Okay.
And remember, if you're at home and you want the ingredients for the recipe, send the secret word, which is
pasta.
33728.
That's it. So let's get dicing.
So how would you like it, Ewan?
It doesn't matter. Just like little blocks like that.
I just love the way you just delegate.
I heard that knife going.
Don't be scared. Just dice it.
Nolly's like scraping
here,
the
what you
knife
can
all
do,
over the cutting board.
Do you understand?
Kia, no. Will you keep an eye out on Kia? You know, just while she like she chops that garlic for us, please.
Oh,
yes.
I'm chopping garlic. Great.
All right.
Okay.
So ahead.
I'm going to need a knife.
What are you looking for?
To
A
chop,
knife?
hey.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get you a knife.
Can you get me a knife? Thank you, Kat.
So is this what you do at home? You just delegate?
I delegate.
Don't you have one of those,
that's my secret.
Those things where
those
you
garlic
really
crushes.
You do it, yeah.
No, I don't. You have to do
it
the old school way.
For you. Chop up the garlic.
Let's chop the garlic.
Come guys, we need to start cooking here.
What is Gatlago's job though? I mean, you can't just look at us.
I'm overseas.
What's
Ek is die voorman. Die voorman op die skof.
Voorman op die skof.
Yeah.
I mean, how can you let the ladies do all the work? You and this is supposed to be your job.
I'm actually not impressed, David.
It's not. Come now, guys. Asseblief, kan jy glo hulle complain so?
Yeah, I've never ever met ladies that complain as much as these two.
Excuse
you. Never ever in my life.
Oh no, you didn't. Oh no. You see this knife? And you see this knife? Do you see how I'm cutting this bacon?
How dare you threaten me like that on national TV?
I'm joking.
What are people going to think of you?
Do you see how I'm cutting this bacon? Yeah.
You need to crush it, not cut it.
Dude, so tell me, your brother-in-law in Hungary.
Yes.
What did you just say to him now?
I said to him, thank you very much, and I'm sure this dish will be very, very tasty.
And how did you say it? Slowly?
I said it, Kusinam Shogor.
Kusinam Shogor.
That means thank you, brother-in-law.
Yeah.
I'm sure. What did I say?
Kusinam Shogor?
Yeah. Bistos. Finomles Akaya.
Finomles Akaya.
Unglaublich.
Yeah, that's German. But it's a taal of Right, are you guys done there? So what? I need to start frying this.
Dude, I'm so bad at
So what we
chopping
do is,
stuff.
listen up. We start frying this.
Yeah.
Chicken. Like that, and then we throw in the bacon as well.
At the same time?
At the same time.
Okay, should I throw it in?
Throw it in, go for it.
Okay.
Use your hands. Woo, you can see she only likes washing dishes. She doesn't know what to do with the pots.
And you like delegating?
I need to like change my position here to get the... You see there? Yeah? Is that what better?
Okay, this is going to go in the pan.
So you know what? It's actually completely up to you how fine you want to slice your chicken or fine you want to slice your bacon. I see Nolly's done a great job here.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Thank you.
If you would like me to chop your bacon, just holler.
Call me and chop
Nolly
bacon.
in your kitchen.
Yeah. We just got to make an international apology to all chefs out there that might be appalled and shocked at the way in which Kia is chopping this garlic. It's shocking.
I told you guys I'm not that good in the kitchen here. I get those ready-made things.
So you
I get myself a Nolly.
I've got a question, right? Do you guys still believe that kind of like, not, okay, the value of a woman is kind of
what?
partly
Partly what?
judged upon how good she is in the kitchen. Not the value is a bad term. But you know what I'm getting at. You know what I'm getting at. Like back in the day. No, tell me. Do you guys feel that way?
This brother.
No, tell me. I'm
Yeah,
asking.
I would like to know.
I don't think so. I think, you know, this whole thing of women being good cooks and having to be behind the kitchen and cooking shouldn't be. Times are changing. Come on.
Dude, times are changing.
A man that
but I
can
think-
cook. Come on.
Yeah. So,
We'll just... Ooh, dude, you've got about, talking about time, 3 minutes left, yeah.
How much?
But 3 minutes.
30 minutes.
3 minutes.
30 minutes left on the clock.
Three.
You know what I'm saying? I just think that it's very,
Not
very
me.
nice to come back home and yeah,
Almost,
your wife's
almost.
been working, but it's and your wife has cooked a nice meal,
Yeah.
or you know, it's
What about your man cooking a nice meal for you? I think that in modern times, things definitely have changed.
Yes.
I think that a woman at the moment now has actually got so much more tasks than ever before because a woman now has to be a mother, a cook. She
Yeah.
has to be, you know,
True.
the person who cleans the house as well. You know, we have to do everything.
No, I agree. I just thought I'd pose the question, but
Yeah.
how's that going?
Yeah.
How's that going over there?
It's going, you know what, I'm getting a bit stressed out because
Crank up the fire. Crank
it's
up the
on
fire.
its maximum.
Ways,
On
dude.
its maximum, yes.
Wow.
But I mean, it's
can't
getting
wait.
there. Okay, so what I need to do now
Let's
is
tell
throw in
everyone
some
at home
garlic.
about these lovely coloured mats in front of us.
So
we've
once
got
again,
a
this
green
is
one.
also... Yeah,
Oi.
go for it. Sorry.
Oi.
Sorry, dude.
We've got a green one here, and if we place the dish in the green one, it means that it's valued at under 100 rand. That means
That's
for under
right,
100 rand,
yeah.
you could feed 4 people. If it's on the blue one, it's between 100 rand and 200 rand. And on the red one, anything plus
Above
200
yeah,
rand to
that's
feed
right.
4 people.
Yeah. So this is a very simple dish, so it will definitely go onto the green, all right? The green mat here, under 100 rand, it can feed up to 4 people.
Wow.
Very
Wow.
cheap. It's not an expensive dish, but it's a nice Friday evening, you know, chill out, have some nice creamy dish. Okay, so what I've done now, I've put in the kernel corn and also some garlic. Right, you can...
You gotta hurry up, dude.
Dude, I'm trying my best.
gotta
I'm trying
hurry
my
up.
best. But anyways, so now it's almost done. The chicken's not completely done, but that now simmers in our sour cream here. Let's quickly up. Let's hurry up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's going to be
And
good.
while we're at it, if you're at home, I'd like you actually to call in and tell us what are your views on the whole ladies in the kitchen thing. Because I'd like to know what people think out there. No, I want to know what they think.
Yeah.
Why is she looking at me like that? She's
We're
like,
going to take him outside. That's what's going to happen.
hey,
I have no words for you.
why are you guys
You're
killing me
trying
over
No
this?
words for you.
You know what I've heard?
What?
You know why kitchen, you know, women actually, why they belong in the kitchen?
What?
Their feet are smaller, so they can stand closer to the... So that is why. They can... So I'm sorry if you want to call in and take me on about that, please do that.
No.
039133728. That's it. So there we go. So this is it. Okay, so obviously I've missed my 10-minute mark. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, all right? But this dish will simmer here. It is the best dish you can make on a Friday night. Go try it out. Yeah, we're going to taste it.
I'm not eating that.
Why not? What's wrong with it?
We'll see after the break. I'm not
good.
eating that.
It's Hungarian.
It's not, yeah.
What?
No, thanks.
No
Seriously?
ways.
Seriously?
I'm not
No?
eating that.